Anjana Singh. I'm a senior consultant gynecologist, Mitra Hospital, Noida. These days, women are facing a lot of health issues. The reason being because they have to prove themselves both at their workplace and at their homes. So the various health issues, the commonest being stress. Stress because she has to, she has to prove that she's a super mom. She has kids waiting for her at home. There's a lot of work pressure, and she has, and all these problems add to the stress to a woman's life. So she is, most of the time, because of this stress, she has a lot of health related issues. The commonest being weight gain. Weight gain because she is not able to cook properly for her. I mean, she's all the time busy cooking for her kids and husband, and she generally, she relies on that junk food which she has in the office canteen, and that is causing a lot of weight gain in these ladies. And this weight gain, added along with stress, is causing a lot of uh, problems as regards to her menstrual cycle is concerned. There are a lot of problems regarding irregular cycles, and these cycles keep on getting irregular with time because she generally tends to ignore the problem because she doesn't prioritize her health issues. And these irregular periods, irregular cycles, and heavy bleeding and all can take a toll on the lady, and that can decrease her efficiency in the workplace. So I mean, it is very important that anybody who is having such a problem should report to the doctor. Secondly, I mean, the age at marriage has increased these days. Females are getting married at a later ages, say about 30 years, 31 years. And after that, they want to give a gap for some time so that they are able to concentrate on their career. And all this is adding on to the problem which is called infertility. Infertility is, they're not able to conceive for a considerable period of time after their marriage because of all these, age related issues, the stress, and their inability to just move out and meet a doctor. So that is another very important health issue, because infertility then again adds on to the stress, and she again has to face a lot of problems. Apart from infertility, the other problem that she's facing is recurrent abortions. Since she's not able to take rest, she is facing this problem of abortions happening again and again. So it is very important that a female should meet a doctor if she has such a history of repeated miscarriages. Apart from all this, another health issue is increased thyroid problems. Stress adds on to the pressure on the thyroid gland, which is an important aspect of a female's body. And this thyroid, if gets disturbed, can lead to severe weight gain, or it can lead to severe weight loss. So it is very important that these hormonal problems should be taken care of. And because of the excessive stress and the health related issues, there are a lot of problems related to insomnia. She's getting less sleep at home, and again, this is adding on to the vicious cycle of hormonal issues and stress related issues. I think these are, apart from these, yes, since she's working against her biological clock, she's most of the time very tired, and she's not able to concentrate on her sexual problems, because of her not being in that state of mind to have a healthy sexual contact with her husband. She is most of the time, that compatibility is also getting affected within the couple, and that again, it is adding on to the health issues. So, when is the best time that a lady should meet a gynecologist? Yes, people generally come to a doctor when they have a problem, but I would say the best thing to be done is to go for a preventive health checkup and a preconception counseling, which means that a lady should get herself regularly checked as regards to her hormonal profile, her blood profiles, and other problems, so that the diseases and the other health related issues doesn't arise. But otherwise, if she's not able to, then even with the slightest problem, when the moment she starts facing certain health issues, rather than just lingering on with the problem and coming to a doctor at a late stage, it is very important that she should come in early, so that the problem can be detected at the right time, and effective treatment can be given to. Basically, to stay fit, there are two ways. She not only has to be mentally fit. A lady today has to be physically fit as well. To be mentally fit, it is very important that she should stop, that effort and endeavor to prove herself as a super mom. And she should, she should also, if she is not able to prioritize herself, at least she can spend some time on herself, at least 15 to 20 minutes in a day, so that she can keep herself physically fit. As For that, she should go in for regular exercises. If not exercises, at least she can go in for a 45 minutes brisk walk in a day, so that the various weight gain related issues can be tackled. Plus, she should, if possible, she can go in for some yoga, and if possible, at least 5 to 10 minutes of meditation in a day. That really help wonders for the lady. And the most important thing is a balanced diet. A balanced diet, as in, she should go in for a low carbohydrate, high protein, low fat diet with lots of vegetables, lots of fruits, so that all the macro and the micronutrients can be taken care of. And the various health issues which are just because of these problems, these inadequate intake of nutritious diet, excessive intake of junk food, like the various problems like polycystic ovarian syndrome, which has become a big epidemic in our country. So all this can be decreased if she exercises regularly and eats a balanced diet. In the end, the only message that I would like to convey to a female on this Women's Day is that every female should take good care of her health, not just physical health, but also mental health, so that she can take good care of her family and just fulfill all the responsibilities towards her kids, her husband, and her workplace. Thank you.